What's going on, everybody? In this video, I'm going to teach you how to write any speech using ChatGPT. I don't care if you're in a public speaking class, if you're in middle school, like whatever it might be. This is going to be like a life changer. It's going to make your teacher like really sad that that you can just knock out like a speech script this easily. So yeah, all right, let's get. I don't want to go too deep into ChatGPT and what it's going to do, but hit the subscribe button and let's go right into it. So I'm going to say to ChatGPT, what are 5 important parts of a speech? This is just to get us the framework for how we're going to design the speech using ChatGPT. Introduction, body, supporting evidence, conclusion, and delivery. Okay, so maybe I could say, write me a speech that argues why AI will be very influential and a disruptive technology in the future. Provide supporting evidence. Provide supporting evidence and an alternative point of view. Ladies and gentlemen, today I stand here to talk about AI, a technology that is poised to change our world in ways we cannot even imagine. AI has the potential to be one of the most influential and disruptive technologies of our time, and I want to take this opportunity to explain why. First and foremost, AI has the potential to greatly improve efficiency and productivity in a variety of industries with AI power. You can read this at your own leisure. You can pause the video if you want, or whatever it might be. And, it even gets into, however, I acknowledge that not everyone shares my optimistic view of AI. There are valid concerns about the potential negative impacts that AI can blah, blah, blah. Despite these concerns, I firmly believe in conclusion. So yeah, we have introduction, we have body, we have conclusion, all of the parts. So that's how you can use ChatGPT to write a speech for you. Professors, be alarmed. So thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave a comment, and have a great day.